A blessed day, ma'am, sir. I am Odessa May G. Vicencio, 37, married, and a blessed two-child, a 20 years old boy and a 13 years old girl. I'm a simple and a happy person, motivated, hardworking, trustworthy, sincere, easy learner too. I worked in Quake before from 2014 to 2017. At duties there, I taking care of two children, a 7 years old girl and a 5 years old boy. I'm the one who assisting and preparing their needs, taking them and sending them from school. I do tutoring also. I do also a household chores like cleaning, washing dishes, laundry, and ironing clothes. And I go back 2022 to 2024 to take care of a newborn baby. My duties there also is taking them also with the two children. If you hire me, ma'am, I will do my best to be part of your family and to be a hardworking person. Thank you.